If you're looking to optimize your conversion funnels, then understanding how to use Proof can give you the edge you need. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how Proof works to enhance your sales process and why it's a game changer when it comes to increasing conversions. Now, what exactly is Proof? It's a conversion optimization tool designed to use social proof and real-time visitor data to encourage more users to take action. Whether you're trying to increase signups, sales, or other conversions, Proof is built to maximize engagement on your site. And the best part? You can get started for free with an exclusive extended trial by following the link below. Stick around to see exactly how it works and how it can revolutionize your funnel. The core of Proof's power is its ability to show real-time notifications that highlight the activity of other users on your site, basically showing people that others trust your product or service. It's like giving visitors a glimpse into a live environment where people are actively engaging. This taps into the psychological principle of social proof, a powerful motivator that can significantly boost conversions. You can use Proof's live notifications to display things like recent purchases, signups, or even customer testimonials, all in real time. This helps build trust quickly and reduces any hesitation users may have. For example, if you're running an e-commerce site, showing that someone just bought a product a few seconds ago can push a hesitant customer to make a purchase. It's subtle, but incredibly effective. Proof also allows you to customize these notifications to fit your brand and funnel goals. You can fine-tune when and how these notifications appear, targeting specific actions or user behaviors. Whether it's a visitor who just landed on your page or someone who's been browsing for a while, Proof gives you the flexibility to engage them at just the right moment. Another major advantage is its integration with popular email marketing, CRM, and analytics tools, allowing you to connect Proof with your existing marketing stack. This makes it incredibly easy to collect data and analyze how these real-time notifications are impacting your funnel performance. Over time, you'll get insights that can help you refine your strategy and optimize your conversion process even further. If you're new to Proof, the setup is straightforward. You don't need to be a developer to get started. Simply install the Proof widget on your website and begin customizing your notifications to fit your goals. Whether you're showcasing customer activity or displaying limited time offers, the platform makes it easy to get your notifications live in minutes. One of the key things I love about Proof is its ability to create urgency through scarcity. For example, you can show a notification like only 3 spots left at this price, or hurry, this offer ends soon, which triggers a sense of urgency and encourages immediate action. Combining that with social proof makes for a powerful 1-2 punch that drives conversions. Now, here's a little pro tip. The more personalized you make your Proof notifications, the better. Use the data you gather to tailor messages to specific segments of your audience. If someone has been browsing a certain product for a while, show them a notification that highlights other customers who have purchased that same product. It's all about making the user experience feel more personal and less generic. To wrap up, using Proof for optimizing conversion funnels isn't just about showing activity, it's about building trust, creating urgency, and personalizing the experience. With its simple setup, powerful customization options, and insightful analytics, Proof can be the boost you need to turn more visitors into paying customers. If you're ready to take your conversion funnels to the next level, don't forget to click the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. Start using Proof today and see the difference it can make for your business.